All right, let's review so far what we've learned about our ecosystem and producers and types of consumers. So I'm going to read the task cards to you. You can either write it on dry erase boards, a sheet of paper, or a Google Doc, and then I'll state the answer. Okay, this is also great practice for test prep, okay, as we take our state test after spring break here, okay? Number one, which of these is the best definition to describe what an ecosystem is? A, all the living and non-living things in an area. B, all the non-living things in an area. Or C, all the living things in an area. So is it just living things, non-living, or a combination of both? A, B, or C, and write it on a sheet of paper, dry erase board, or a Google Doc. And hopefully you chose A. It is A, all living and non-living things. All right, number two, which of these statements is true about how living things get their food? Okay, you got to kind of visualize this. What is true? Producers eat consumers. Producers eat other producers. Or producers make their own food from sunlight. What is true? What is true? It is C as in cat. Producers make their own food through sunlight. Number three, which type of animal do we learn eats only other animals? Only other animals. An omnivore, an herbivore, or a carnivore. So this one is a consumer, but it's a type of consumer that eats only other animals. And it is a C, carnivore. Number four, what is this illustration below showing? Okay, let's zoom in here. Okay, what is this showing you? Is it showing you a consumer eating a producer? Is it showing you a producer eating another producer? Is it showing you a consumer eating another consumer? And it is a consumer eating a producer. The cow is eating the grass, which is a plant and a producer. Number five, a pig is a consumer that eats plants and animals. So what type of organism is a pig? Okay. Is it an omnivore? Is it a producer? Or is it an herbivore? It eats both plants and animals. And it is A, an omnivore. Number six, which living thing gets energy by breaking down material from dead plants and animals? So it's a type of decomposer, and it gets its energy at the end of a food chain from breaking down material from dead plants and animals. Would that be a plant, a fox, or bacteria? And it is C, bacteria. Number seven, which living things get energy by eating other living things? By eating other living things. Consumers, producers, or decomposers get energy by eating other living things. It is a consumer. Last one, which is an example of a consumer getting energy from a consumer. Okay, so we know a consumer can be an omnivore, herbivore, carnivore, but this is just asking in general. What is